This video is for the returns process for Factory 47. Now, if you need to make a return and you did not make a profile, unfortunately, you have to email us at info@factory47.com and just write a complete detailed description why you need the return, whether it's been damaged through shipping or if you just need to return it because you got to change sizes. But leave a thorough email. Now, if you did make an account with us, this is our new website. This is the icon up here, the accounts. You can simply just log in your account and request a return. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So by clicking this icon up here on the top right, once you click it, it's going to prompt you to the next screen. Now, typically, if you're not logged in, it's going to ask for your email. And when you put your email, it sends you a code, and you put that code in from your email, and it logs you in your account. And you can see all your previous orders. Now here my orders look a little funny because they're sample orders. They're nothing real here. This just to give you an example of how to do the return process. So here's a fake order I made right here. This was done today. And let's say for the reason I made an accident order, or it came all the way from FedEx and it got damaged in the box, or I just changed my mind and I haven't used the handlebar yet and I want to exchange it within our return policy time. This is what you need to do. All you do is you go to that order, make sure it's the matching order number here, and all you need to do is do request return. Now from there, it's going to tell you what you spend and everything here on the corner. You're going to select your reason. So we have, size too small, change my mind, item not as described. You have all these different reasons. But the main thing we ask you is in this note, leave a detailed description. For example, if it was damaged, don't just put came damaged. Right. FedEx delivered, the box was ripped, or there was a chip in the handlebar, or you feel there's something wrong, or it was ordered wrong. Leave a fully detailed description as best you can, because that just helps us speed up the process. So once you do this, you're going to hit this button here, request return. Now, after that process, give us typically on weekends, 1 to 2 business days to respond to you. We're going to send you an email with the process. For example, if you ordered a handlebar and you received the wrong bar, we're obviously going to send you a call tag, get that bar back in the process, send you a new bar. But if it's for whatever reason you just want to change your mind, you ordered the wrong rise, in that case, we won't send the call tag. What we're going to do is we're going to have you send it back to us because we don't cover the shipping for that. And in that case, we're going to then, we have to inspect the bar, make sure it's resellable, non-used, and we can then send you a brand new handlebar. So just make sure you leave a thorough, detailed description here. We try to do our best when it comes to returns. We always assume the customer's right, and we do try to work with you. We just hope everyone is honest. And, just honesty is key. If something happened, let us know, because we will work with you guys. So just let us know. Please be honest on these returns. And, we don't look forward to getting returned, but we definitely do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. And this is our returns process.